built of carbon fiber. It is the only exposed carbon fiber aircraft being manufactured today. And Paul takes it up there showing us that unbelievable vertical penetration that he's getting from this 380 horsepower light-moving engine. Hammerhead's on the way down. A couple of step rolls to make sure that everything is ready, and he's back right to Air Show Center. Pulling into the vertical once again. Back to the Miller deflection for 3 Miller rolls on the way up. Now as he continues to climb that light moving, it's actually going to have to be throttled back. And he goes into reverse, accelerated 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 miles an hour before he quit stalls. He's headed toward Paul has completed his tremendous amount of punishment he's given to his airplane and his body as he comes back for a power back roll to inverted and gets right back to Air Show Center. It's going to be a negative G push up to the hammerhead with a full roll up and a power to kick into the hammer. He's up on a 45-degree upline and continues to work the airplane around and around on the right-hand side of the aerobatic airspace. The airplane in a very tight, high climbing at a high alpha. Slowing the aircraft down. He's coming back around and diving back into the aerobatic box.